chilly out here this morning. But I heard about this trick with your pellet grill. I wanted to show everybody. It's just going to be a real short video. So I bought this pellet hopper extension so that if I have a 10-12 hour cook, I can put this on there and I fill it up with pellets and I don't have to check it. But I was talking, this cost $70–80. So you can help not doing that. You don't want to. It's a little trick somebody told me. Put your charcoal starter on your pellet hopper here. You fill that up with pellet. Like so. And then as it cooks and your pellets go down, these in here will fall down into your hopper. Most of us already own one of these and wouldn't have to buy an expensive pellet hopper extension like I did. Save you some money. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Doing Stuff.